Hello fashion lovers and welcome to the Fashion Den Stylista Moda. If you find this video interesting, if you find the channel informative, please like the video, subscribe the channel and leave the comments in the comment box. In today's video, day 23 video, will be continue on learning the draping of dupattas and suits. These two designs we are going to learn. This is the first design, which is heavy booty design with a contrast dupatta, light and dark monochromatic dupatta. And this is the another design. This is a suit with shrug tied with the lace on the front and having the work of zari and thread mix. So on dupatta also there is a work of zari and thread. So let's start, friends. To start with, I have created the figure and I have rendered the face and the hairstyle which we have learnt in the previous videos. First I'll create the neckline of the inner suit, and these are the sleeves of shrugs, because this is a full sleeve shrug I am creating in a kurta sleeve style, and it has a slit on the front which will be as which will we will be means decorate with the jari, and this is the lower part of the shrug. Neckline of the shrug, it would be little bit deeper than the suit, and this shrug will be open, slit open from the front. This is one part and this is the other part. If you want to know more about the postures, figures, hairstyle, facial features and all, you please follow the previous video if you are new to my channel. This is the inner suit like this. I am pairing it with a parallel, not too broad, pant style parallel. I am making it like this. You observe the falls that we are creating here. Dupatta, she has taken the dupatta at the back, wing style, and this. You always keep on observing the falls which are mainly important in fashion sketching to give the real impact to your figure. See, the folds generally depends upon the posture of the figure and the flow of the garment, that you have to observe very minutely. Here I am making the Punjabi jutti with this suit, Amritsari jutti, and this. Now will color. I am making the inner piece of the shirt and the parallel with the magenta color, because nowadays these bright colors are very much in fashion. That will be learning how to predict the fashion in a theory part of apparel merchandising. It all depends upon the mood of the people. Sometimes when the things are going very bad, the people do search the things, search their pleasant things in the costume colors and all. As nowadays the pandemic is going on, the corona pandemic is going on, and everything is getting down, so people are searching their happinesses in the colors, and festivals are coming, Diwali, Karwa Chauth and all, so people are searching these things in the colors, and you will see most of the bright and the dark colors are in fashion now, like magenta, fluorescent colors, the dark maroon, the peacock green, these all colors are in fashion nowadays. So this I am making with dark magenta color, the inner. To color it with, you have to shade it, and the basics of these shadings I have taught in the previous lessons in day 10, 11, 12, how to use the colors. So at the areas where it has been covered with something, So the shadow of that thing, the shadow of shrug, it will be dark. On the folds it will be dark. At the bottom it will be dark. In parallel also, what we'll do, at the folds I will create the dark, and then I will spread this with the dry brush or with the water tipped brush, so that it will impact it as a, it will give the impact of shadows and all, like this. See, I hope you may observe all these shadings in the video also, because sometime when the video when the lights and all reflects on, see, you may pick the colors like that also. If you have, if somehow the color is spread, means the dark colors are there, so you may make it light with the help of this technique also. This, right? Now we will do the shrug. Shrug I am doing it with the golden brown color. I'll be making it golden brown color, which has the shade of brown and the orange. Either you may directly apply the golden brown color on the garment by using yellow and brown, mix of yellow and brown, and or you can do this thing, you can just do one thing, you apply the brown color and nicely spread it in shade, and then with the colored pencil, orange or yellow colored pencil or ochre yellow colored pencil, you may give the impact of golden brown. Here I am doing it directly. I have created the color with the help of a bit of brown and a bit of yellow, and I have created the golden brown color. When it will dry, you will see the impact, because in wet mediums it is always required, we have to wait till the color is dried, then only you will see the real impact of the color. I'll do it same in the entire garment. The areas which are opposite to light would be dark, the areas which are shaded with something will be dark. Now I have completed all. Now let's do with the zari work. What I am doing, I am just creating the impact with the help of copper color or golden color, like this. I am making it the embroidery on the edges of shrug, at the down bottom part of the kameez, the neckline of the kameez with the brown patti, and at the waist of the shrug, and on the dupatta also I am making small dots, or any design you may create, like this. Create it in the entire dupatta piece. Now see, you may feel the beauty of the design, because see how nice it is appearing now. Now in the entire dupatta I will spread these dots, and on later stages I will highlight these dots with the same color of sketch. See, here I am making a motif at the bottom panel, which will be visible when someone will walk. This is a zari style design. I am making a big motif of lotus type, like this. It will be, when the shrug will open, it will look like that something. And this, right? See, I am just to give the self impact of thread, I am outlining it with the pink sketch pen, purple or the magenta sketch pen. This will give the impact of thread work. Here I am making two threads which are hanged after tying the shrug. As I said, it is tied in the center, and At the bottom there would be any motif or something we can create like this. See, this has been completed. Now for the second design, as you have observed most probably we have made a dupatta which is spreaded, because on dupatta there is a heavy work. So we want to show our dupatta. So I am making dupatta which is hanged in the neck and spread it all over. One dupatta is in hand. We have to create the figure keeping the design in our mind. Here you can see I have made a figure where I have put their hand open so that it can be holded, dupatta can be holded in some way. And you observe the fall, how I am giving the fall. Falls are something which are very important in dupatta or any flow wala garment. See. Now we will remove the inner lines of figures. It will give us the impact ki proper ban gaya hai ya nahi bana, it is properly created or not. See, now you can see it is being properly designed. I will highlight the hand where the dupatta is been holded. Only half hand would be appeared like this. Fine. Now we will create the suit. This is the length of the shirt, and we have to keep it, we have to design it with the body. Very rare fall would be there because this is a tight suit I am making, and I am making a salwar with this suit. As on, we have created 4 designs. This is the 4th design. In one we have created pant, in one we have created parallel, in one we have created the plazo, and now I am making salwar. In one sari we have created the chudidar. This. See, the salwar is having the maximum of falls. है ना? So you have to create this like this, and in under that you have to create the cuff. Like this. Now we will remove the extra lines throughout from the shalwar, from the shirt. See, the pencil work is being completed now. For you to save the time, I have created all the base work with the help of pencil color, and now I am making the booties. To make the booties on the dupatta, what I am doing, I am using the poster color or the acrylic color you may use. I am just creating the small dots to give the impact of roses, red roses. The second color I will take is the purple. I'm just making a combination of red, not exactly purple, is reddish purple color you can say. This again, the base is dull but is being done with the bright and vibrant colors, because same thing you will see most of the times these type of things are in fashion now. They all are in. Now the browns, the dull colors are getting off. Mustard is in fashion out instead of brown. Red is in fashion. Black even is in fashion because black is the color of strength. See, now I am doing it with yellow. 3 color flower I am making. The reddish purple, the reddish violet color, red, and the yellow. And now I will join all these flower with the help of green, parrot green color, to create the impact of booty like this. See, if design is clear in your mind, so it is very easy to create. Even on later stages I will teach you how you can create the booties with the help of thread dabbing technique. And some of other garments will see what is thread dabbing, and in one subject, that is the basic designs, we will be learning about the color schemes and all these textures, how to create the textures. in the garments. It's a separate subject. It would be having 11 or 15 classes, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 classes. I'm just designing it, and soon I'll be coming up with that also. See, and now I'm making the leaves with the help of dark green color. Now you can see the impact of booty, embroidered booty in dupatta. Wow, I'm happy because it's looking as I was thinking of. And it's not in fashion designing, in sketching and all, it is not necessary that you use the very tough techniques and then you will be succeeded. No, you use the impact of that, so that you have to give the impact, and you can make people understand what you are thinking of, right? So make it simple and try to make it easy. Now I'm making the panel of the suit. With the dark green I am making this bale, and with that, with the parrot green, because I will be using the same 4-5 colors which I have used in the dupatta, because we have to make the match. Parrot green color, I'll be using the color red now, or let's use the reddish purple color for the flowers. Even in sometime professional designing, people do just make a rough thing. Here it will be the embroidery, and then they make the embroidery pattern separately, and even you have to make the embroidery pattern separately. Again, it would be the part of the basic designs, how to make the embroidery patterns, because getting the designs printed from market for the embroidery is one thing, but making your own design is actually the designing, creating your own ideas, है ना? So we'll be learning this in the basic designs. Now we'll create the booty in the shirt. What I am making, I am just making this arrow sign. These are the 3 colors that I would be using just to place. Placement also is a part of basic designs. There are 8 placements of motifs, basic placements of motifs, which can be used, and further you can create your own. Like with the red color, I am making the red roses. Just layer it. Now the purple, reddish purple color, this. Even you can do this with the help of sketch pens, but sketch pen doesn't give that much of impact which poster color can give, or acrylic color can give, because sketch pen is something which will never give you the 3D impact, while these all poster color and all acrylic color give you the 3D impact, as you can see in this suit also. If I would have done it with sketch pens, so it would give the flat impact of the designing, है ना? But it also works sometime. Here I'm making the leaves with the help of dark green color, and see, this suit is being completed. And you would ask why I have not made all these on the back, because this is the back of the dupatta. I have made the designs only on the front of the dupatta. See, isn't it beautiful? So thanks for watching this video, friends. We'll meet in the next topic. Till then, bye bye and see you again. Thank you very much for watching.